Feel like it. Anyway, everybody called him Peanut. I call him Scarecrow. He looks like a scarecrow. He's got the colors of Scarecrow. When I used to have Scarecrow before I sold him. Well, I didn't sell him. I kind of gave him away. He had that broken leg issue. Hey, what's the matter? Everybody wants to talk to me. I got this one over here talking to me. That's Henny, number 1. She's still molting. And then over here, I have Thing 1. Hi, Thing 1. And over here, right here, we got this rooster. Brown, it used to be Brownie's little boy. Look how big he's gotten. He was the black one. He just wants to get away, and I don't want him to. Let me put you on this side of me. There you go. I want to call him Scarecrow. My girlfriend said, call him Peanut. He don't look like no Peanut no more. He looks more like a Scarecrow. He's got the Scarecrow colors. Really pretty, And I used to have one named Scarecrow. And he looked just like this in a way. But he was more like red and then that yellow and everything. This is more black. So, oh, it's okay. He doesn't like being held. This is Brownie's son. Yeah. And the little white one is real skittish, and I call her Dovey. Dovey, like turtle dove, but Dovey. And I got 2 new, look like turtle doves, but they're kind of a blue tint to them. One's more bluer than the other, and they're 2 Easter eggers, and they're out there roaming around, but he got in there with them, and I don't like that, because he's a lot mature. And my other rooster, he doesn't allow me to leave, wherever he disappeared to. The littlest rooster said he's okay with this rooster, but he's just got to learn manners. So he has been teaching him how to behave, which is good. I should have done that a long time ago. I never thought of that, but he's doing a really good job. And I'm getting ready to put Shadow's babies in with them, but they're not thrilled about the whole thing. But, I just got done cleaning the coop. That's why I'm so sweaty. It's hot in there. And I even put a fan in there, and it ain't working. Let me hold on for a minute. Oh, sorry. I had a drip in my nose. I had to go away and come back. But anyway, he's a good boy so far. Doesn't peck me at all. He's scared of me mostly, which I don't want him to get older and then start picking on the littlest rooster. If that happens, he's going up there with the big chickens, and I'll bring little man back. Then I'll get little man and the littlest rooster mixed up. Well, yeah, because they look so much alike now, you couldn't tell the difference. Anyway, so, but I don't know if I'd bring him back. He likes it up there with those big girls. I don't think he minds having another rooster up there to keep him company, but really didn't want to put this one up there. I like to keep him here. My husband thinks he's funny. He doesn't crow like a rooster. He crows more like he's laughing or coughing. But I think he's still young. And then I have another rooster in with the other group of I only have one left, but if anybody's looking for a small rooster, he is such a sweetheart. He sits on my lap and begs for food, and if I don't give him any food, he pecks me. It's like, wow, that's not nice. But he's really sweet and everything, and this one's really sweet too. My little man rooster went away because he's afraid he's going to get picked up next, and I'm not going to pick him up. Now, be nice. And I released myself a little bit on him, and he thought he can get away. What, you don't want to be in here with me anymore? No? Everybody says, you're going to put the other ones in there? Yeah, eventually I'd like to put all the black Easter eggers all together. I even thought about putting them in that weird little building of mine. I haven't got that far. Anyway, I'll probably let him go. Yeah, I'm going to let you go. Am I sweet to you? I'm too sweet. Yeah. Okay, here he goes. He's going to go bye-bye. Here we go. Ready? No, you're going to leave me. Wow, you like me after all. Nope. That's funny. He's over there now all fluffing up. He's like, oh, I hate this.